how to turn on notifications on Reddit. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to Reddit, then open it. And after this, when your Reddit it's open, you will just go here to your profile icon. Then you will go to settings. And then on settings, you will go to account settings on the first option. Then you have to go to manage notifications. And now if you want to turn on notifications, you will turn on all this list like this. It's really take a little time, but you have just be patient. And now when you will turn on all these things, all this list, now you are turning notifications on Reddit. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.